The bright red hall is called the Kannon Hall on the cliff and worshipped by the locals. This temple was established in 717 and the hall was built later.
However, several disasters such as fire and earthquake destroyed the hall. This current structure was built in 1925.
People have been enjoying this beautiful scenery since long time ago. Let's take a look inside. The paintings feature a lot of plants seen in Chiba Prefecture. Now, we are ready for peanut ice cream. Different types of peanut products are available at this shop.
This is the famous peanut ice cream.
The aroma of peanuts spreads from the inside of my mouth.
I tried this peanut pie. There's something inside. Bean jam filling. If you are a peanut lover, this place is a must.
This is the only shrine in Japan that enshrines the god of cooking. A lot of active and aspiring chefs visit this shrine from all over Japan.
We made a short visit to Nomizo Waterfall. In March and September, you can see a reflection that looks like the shape of heart. Thank you for watching.
And see you in the next video.